Discoverant 2026 introduces a new capability that allows one to sync a particular hierarchy to the 3D experience platform. Here we will start in a data perspective, which is monitoring critical quality attributes of 10 parallel bioreactors. Currently, there is no data in this dashboard. A new capability has been added that allows us to sync a particular hierarchy to the 3D experience. We choose the parallel bioreactors hierarchy and schedule a job to run every 10 seconds. We can monitor all the jobs that are syncing to the 3D experience. Let's start a script now that is simulating the bioreactors. This script is writing data to the database for all the critical quality attributes for 10 bioreactors running simultaneously. It is writing one data point per parameter per second to the database. Let's go back to the real-time monitoring dashboard in our data perspective and refresh it. Now we see the data showing up on the charts. Let's speed this up and see all the data stream for 30 minutes into our dashboard. Finally, we have the option when particular batches are finished to specify these batches and stop the real-time syncing of the data.